The ability to fly into an area with a very small footprint, with a very small radar cross-section, and put that thing into an area where we would not want to fly manned aircraft. It's another tool in the toolkit of things that we could do on the battlefield to leverage good things for the warfighter. The first time that I saw the LIFT Aircraft Hexa System, I said, what's the real special part about this? The cockpit is just a payload.
There's a number of scenarios where our warfighters get trapped either behind enemy lines or in dangerous situations where they can't get a typical helicopter in to assist, and you can actually fly Hexa in remotely and pick up a warfighter who otherwise is in harm's way. Agility Prime is a program that the Air Force has put together to support the domestic U.S. supply chain and development of this nascent industry for electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL.
What we can do with this aircraft and these systems is take someone with no experience whatsoever and have them pilot the aircraft solo by themselves for the very first time in about an hour of training. They can be focused on what they're going to do when they get where they're going, instead of thinking about how to get there safely. That is a game changer. The simulator is currently using virtual reality immersion for getting the person who is learning to fly the aircraft this sense of not only the control set, but what they'll be seeing, what it will be like to sit in the cockpit and see the aircraft move under their command.
We think of these very large craft as needing specialized equipment and rovers and tugs and things of this nature. This aircraft is man-movable. 3 or 4 service members can move this aircraft. And that's not just because it's lightweight, but also because parts of it come apart very easily, and with a very simple cart, you can move the aircraft in and out. The important thing here is you can get it to a site, and within a couple hours have it set up and ready to fly.
AFTWorks, the way that it's structured right now, is probably the most encouraging thing that I've seen in the Air Force in my 30-year career. This is really a revolution in the way the Air Force does business at this point, and I really hope that we continue to do it this way, because there's great things happening because of it.